Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make cotton candy at home. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a cotton candy machine, of course, and your choice of floss sugar or hard candies. Make sure your machine is clean and preheated according to its instructions. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now let's prepare our sugar. If you're using floss sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons is usually perfect for a single cone. For hard candies, break them into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 of an inch. This ensures they melt evenly. Remember not to overfill the sugar receptacle. A little goes a long way to create that fluffy treat. With your sugar ready, it's time for the magic. Turn on your cotton candy machine and let it preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's hot, carefully add your prepared sugar into the center receptacle. As the sugar melts and spins, use a paper cone or stick to collect the delicate strands, twirling it around the edges until you have a fluffy cloud. To ensure your cotton candy making is always a success, here are a few pro tips. Always clean your machine thoroughly after each use to prevent sugar buildup. Don't be afraid to experiment with various hard candy flavors to discover new favorites. For any leftover floss sugar, store it in an airtight container to keep it fresh for your next sweet adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.